Hey traders, welcome to Quad S Trading, and we are doing another trade recap. So today on October the 9th, we had one huge VW winner and a bunch of nice little trades that Sean posted in the mastermind group. So BAOS, let's have a look at all of them and we'll see which one is the big winner. So BAOS, this one here pumped too early during the day. So unfortunately, not a trade. I am still sleeping. But if you have a look, for those who do trade this early in the morning, this here was a nice win. But in our spreadsheet that we keep all the VW trades, this would not be in there because it doesn't short in between 6 a.m. and 12 p.m. But nonetheless, this would have been a nice win. And let's say we were to go to the 4-hour chart on this one here. Look, it nailed this top, right, and right here. So 1, 2. So you know what? If Sean was awake, this was definitely an entry up in this area. He would probably went in like for sure right here. So he would have nailed the top 100%. Let's have a look at the next one. Tilo. This here I believe was yesterday too. It just didn't pump enough. There was not enough profit from here to the EMAs. So just not enough profit there. CDT. Same thing here, not enough profit, but this sucker tanked quite a bit. From anywhere in this midpoint here, 36%, but definitely not a trade for us. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart on this one here. Oh, look at that. It almost hit to this pivot here, but this here would have been an entry at 119. Sean would have definitely taken this at 119, right? Because it hits two tops. So 119 is up in this area here, and then just collapses. So that would have been a nice trade. BDRX. Let's have a look at this one here. You know what? This one here posted a VW2. So that means you have to wait for two pumps. I only see one, so that's not an entry. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's look at some resistance. Definitely maybe have gotten up in this range here, but we'd be looking more in this range here. And maybe we would have just missed it if you were shooting for like the $17. We would have just missed it. But anyways, that's the trade for that one there. Then we have MRM, and this is the trade that we took, the VW trade. So it pumped on this one candle 38%. It closed below the VWAP with a green circle. And then from there, you just let it do its thing, right? So I had my stop loss set right up here at open, right? At the open was down here. I'm just like, you know what? Set my stop loss, get back to work. And, well, it closed out at 201. So this one here came from right here to right down here for a nice 2.2% of your account. Now, I actually missed this entry here. I was busy in the morning with the kids, so I actually got in right here at 267. So I got a slightly better price. Right, so 2.4%. So even though like this here is your entry, unless you hit a major resistance and like for example, if it hits EMA, you don't go when the stock is pumping, but anywhere here would have been a nice entry. Anywhere here would have been a good entry if you missed the original VWAP cross. PRSO, this one here was taken in the mastermind group, but it did not trigger VW1. Let's have a look here. Why? From down here to down here, not enough profit. It's only 15%. We're looking for more than that. And then NUAI, this one here was just a very slow grind up. Now, we did identify, a pivot up here, and we also identified one in this area here that I actually removed because, I was trading here. So right here, right? So this here would have been an entry, and then this here would have been an entry again, and then if it like would have close above this, we would have probably be stopped out, but we pretty much broke even on this trade here if you would have taken it here and here, but we did not take this one because it was too late in the day. But just giving you a little bit of recap of what it would have looked like. And then ZSPC, that one there, just too late. We don't trade after 12, so I'm not even going to look at that. So that's the trades there. Now let's go to the trade log and see what Sean did today. So Sean did play the MRM as a VW trade. So he took it on the close below here. Good for him. And he took profit here at the EMAs. So I shoot for end of day. He closed at EMA. He just wants to get that profit and walk away and do the next trade. SCWO. Let's have a look at this one here. It pumped on the close of the VWAP. This is entry, and he covered way down here. So this was a nice trade. He actually is a nice 30% win on this one. So good for him. Another win in the mastermind. Then we have PRSO. So he took it at this resistance, right? Previous resistance area, which would have been right here at 176. Let the price goes up, let the price come down, and boom, cover at the EMA. That's a nice win. And then you have BJDX, which he took it somewhere in this area here at the $4 mark, and he covered at the purple lines here. So beautiful trades. That's 4 winning trades in our mastermind. So just any one of these trades would cover you the cost of the mastermind for a month or two. So you only need one trade covers the cost, and the rest is all profit. So anyways, that's it for this. If you like what we do, sign up to our Discord for free. We do live trading every Monday, just so you guys can see what we're up to, how we trade, and that kind of stuff to make sure that this group is a good fit for you. And of course, subscribe to the channel because I do post daily trades. Any questions, hop on our Discord, and we'll see you there.